In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocket Money to budget your money. Full guide. We'll start by getting your accounts connected so your numbers are accurate from day one. Open the app, head to Settings, then Linked Accounts, and add your bank accounts and credit cards. You can also include loans if you want a fuller picture. The more complete your connections, the better Rocket Money can track your cash flow. Allow a moment for syncing, and make sure the most important accounts you use every month are included so nothing gets missed. Once your accounts are linked, go back to the dashboard to review your spending overview. Here you'll see your total monthly spending, your top categories, and your most recent transactions. This view shows where your money is actually going, which is essential context for setting realistic limits. If you see a spike in a category, make a mental note. You'll address it when you build your budget. Next, create your monthly budgets. Tap budgets, choose create budget, pick a category like food, transportation, or shopping, set a monthly limit and save. Base your limits on what you've spent over the last month or two and repeat this for all the major categories that matter to you. Focus first on essentials, then add discretionary areas so you can prioritize where to cut if needed. To keep those budgets accurate, open transactions and tap any purchase to change its category if it landed in the wrong place. Over time, these refinements help the app learn your preferences and reflect your habits more precisely. From here, use Rocket Money's real-time tracking. The budget screen will update your spending automatically, show your remaining room in each category, and flag overspending in red. Check in regularly. Quick course corrections early in the month are much easier than big fixes later. Now set up savings goals. Go to Savings, tap Create Goal, give it a name like Emergency Fund or Travel, and set a target amount and timeline. Choose milestones that are ambitious but achievable so you stay motivated. If you want automation, turn on Smart Savings in the Savings tab. Rocket Money analyzes your cash flow and moves safe amounts into savings on a schedule you control. You can set limits and frequency and pause it anytime. Next, open subscriptions to uncover unused services or pricey renewals. Cancel or downgrade what you don't need. The savings can fuel your goals. Finally, turn on alerts in settings to get notifications for budget limits, low balances, upcoming bills, and subscription renewals, and then review your monthly reports at the end of each month. Adjust budgets where needed, and gradually raise your savings targets. Budgeting improves with consistency, so keep refining, and you'll see steady progress.